Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I wanted to come and actually show you some DIY I worked on and did. Now, this DIY is some coasters. Now, these were some wooden coasters that I got with a set that I got from Walmart with a tray. Now, I'm not completely through with the tray, but I'm going to be using the tray as a new place for my let me see how I can say it. Mm, Tray that I'm going to be using for my perfume. Now, these was some coasters that came with it, and I was like thinking, oh, I have to use resin, and I said I had to find another way of using them. So I decided to take the wooden. They were wooden. Let me show you on the bottom. They were wooden, and I said, what can I do? And I knew I just got some stuff from Amazon that I love. And this is some blinged like sheets that I you always see me use on my stuff and think um, let me turn around for a bit. Let me pull it out of the little bag here. Here we go. Here they are, right here. Like this. If you can see that. See, hope y'all can like that. So that's the stuff I've been using, and it's one of my favorite things I ever have. I have the silver one, and I also have the white one. So this is just the and then I also have the ribbon like this. So I like, what can I do with it? What can I do with these coasters? And I knew what I was gonna do. So let me show you what they are looking like. So here's one. I took them and I covered the the top and the sides. So that's one. And the sides. That's one of them. Got lint all on them, but hey. Like that. Here's this one. Same thing. And it's this on the side. Same thing mostly, but yeah. But you get a good look at all of them. And I was going to use these. Um, I was going to find a place to use them and use them very well and I was going to use them in my home decor, but I actually like it. So why I am showing you DIYs, scoot back and get this. So the other night, I have to go back and glue on one of this one, so I'm just going to show it to you. I actually created this using foam board. Yep, using foam board and thing. And I'm going to put this after I go back and just glue this piece in the middle here. Just go back and glue it and stuff and let it sit. But yeah, I'm gonna go back and let this be glued. But yeah, that's that one. And here's this one. It's very secure and stuff. And thing, it's same thing. But what I'm going to go do is I am going to find some, go to Walmart and I'm going to find some like white or gray fabric and measure out and put it on the bottom, or purple fabric and put it on the bottom. And that's it. But yeah, it took me hours, let me just say hours to do this. and things. I actually like it and stuff, but just a little fixing on this one. But that's all I have to do is just do some fixing, because it's like not a heating up glue staying together. But yeah, those are my DIYs for the month of January. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and